Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by prepping the dart so the wax adheres properly. Clean the barrel and shaft with rubbing alcohol, dry them, and inspect for nicks. Once done, warm a tiny amount of grip wax between your fingers for about 10 to 20 seconds so it softens and spreads easily. Next, apply a half pea-sized dot to the intended grip zone, pressing lightly and rotating the dart to ensure even coverage. This prevents blobs and keeps your throwing feel consistent. Now concentrate on shaping the grip. Using your fingertip or a soft cloth, spread the warmed wax into a thin, even layer along the barrel where you hold the dart. For texture, dab repeatedly for a pebbled feel or roll the dart under your finger to create linear ridges. This controls how the dart releases. Make sure to let the wax set for 30 to 60 seconds so it adheres, and then blot any excess with a tissue to avoid slippery buildup that alters aim. Finish by testing with 3 to 5 practice throws, paying attention to release consistency and comfort. If the grip feels too tacky, buff it gently with a clean cloth to reduce friction. If it feels too smooth, apply another thin layer, warm it, and sculpt to preference. Make sure to adjust only incrementally. Troubleshooting tip: if the wax flakes or peels, you likely applied too much or didn't let it cure. Remove flakes, clean the surface, then reapply a thinner coat and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.